Yo, what's up? My name is Jordan Sky. Today I'm going to be testing out E.L.F. Cosmetics bite-sized shadow in the color Hot Jalapeno. This is what the swatches look like. So now I'm going to do a live swatch on my eye so we can see what they look like on the eye, and then I'm going to just do an eye look. So I'm going to go in the order that they are. So I'll start with this goldish color. So that's what that looks like on the eyes. Alright, the next color we have is this one. So that's what this color looks like. Alright, the next color is going to be this one. Okay. The last color is the darkest green. Okay, so that's this color right here. Alright, so keep in mind that these colors were all tested without the primer. Now we are going to open this little guy right here, the E.L.F. Putty Primer, and see what kind of difference what kind of difference it makes to the eyeshadows. Okay, so here's what the Putty Primer looks like. I think that's enough for trying the first shadow again. So we're going to be trying this shadow again. Okay, what do you lot think? Do you think it pops out more? I'm going to try to put a picture side by side so you can see them. The next one we're going to be trying is this one, the second one in the line. Okay, so this is this color with the eye putty primer on. The next color I'm going to do is going to be this one with the eye putty primer. Okay, so we're going in this one. Okay, so that's how this eye looks with the eyeshadow primer, the putty primer. Alright, our last one is this one right here. Alright, so okay, this is just how this eye looks with the eye primer. Whew, we did it! So we finished our looks. We tested out all 4 of the little quads. This again is bite size eyeshadow hot jalapeno, and we used this E.L.F putty primer for some of our swatches, and then on the other ones we just use the palette by itself. I'll be sure to try to do a split screen so you can see for yourself whether you think the putty primer is worth your coins, or if you think you'll just stick with using a concealer if you do that for your eye basis. Alright, if you're wondering why I don't have my eyebrows done, that's because I'm going to try to do these E.L.F eyeshadow stencil kit. I'm going to try to use this to do my eyebrows because I suck at shaping up my eyebrows. So be sure to watch that video, and that's it. That's the swatches. I am going to be doing a look with this palette, but that's going to be a different video because right now my eyes kind of sting. So that's going to be a different video. Thank you so much for watching. I look crazy, but that's okay. Thank you so much for watching. I had a good time filming this live swatch with you. I hope you got some information out of it. You got to see the colors. You will decide whether you'll be picking up this bite-sized palette or not. I always have a good time filming for you lots, and I hope you had a good time watching. Thank you so much. Peace.